Hey everyone, it's Skipper Mark. So this is a video I actually recorded a couple months ago. Matt had a Flowmaster on his Camaro and he wanted to change it out to Dynomax because he thought it might sound better. I kind of have my personal feelings of which one I like better, but I'd love to hear what you guys think. So leave a message in the comments and let me know. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day. The Flowmaster has a bunch of metal pieces inside at angles, so the sound just vibrates around inside this hollow chamber. The Dynomax is just a big tube with baffles on the sides to help change the pitch and the volume. All right, so the muffler's on. Now it's time for the ultimate test. Which one do you like better? No exhaust, Flowmaster, or Dynomax? Let's listen and see what you think. All right, so we had a chance to hear all three options. I don't want to influence anybody, but my personal favorite is the Flowmaster. I really like that deep, kind of hollow sound that they have. Matt prefers the Dynomax. He thinks it sounds better. And that's the cool thing about cars. There's no right or wrong. It's whatever you want. Who cares what other people think? As long as you're happy, do what you want and enjoy it. I would love to hear what all of you think, so please leave a message below. Which one do you prefer? As always, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Thanks again, and be well.